back into the raft world. What is this? Oh, it's water. Oh, there's a cooked beet. You want some? I'll make a potato. Making a potato.
I have a beet in my pocket.
Oh, well, I'm making a potato.
Well, then I'll take the potato.
I already took the cooked beet, so. This video is going to require a lot of editing. What's on your back? What the heck? Oh, I want this llama. Can we go up here? Yeah. Oh, I need another axe. Can I make an axe? Axe. No, I don't have stone or rope. I have one rope. Whoa! That's not what I wanted to do. Put this in there.
Ricky, what lotion did you use on your tattoo?
Aquaphor.
Like all the way? Like since the beginning? You use the jelly-like one, right? The Aquaphor?
Yeah, I used Aquaphor until it started peeling, and then I used
Regular lotion?
yeah, like unscented though. Don't use scented lotion on it.
No, not scented lotion. We have unscented stuff.
Yeah.
Did you use the Aquaphor, babe?
Yeah, why?
Oh, that's what Bricky said she used until it started peeling.
It's like it's taking out the thing. I'm not using it.
Oh, okay. He thinks it's taking out the ink.
Only when I use that, it kind of like bubbles up.
His body
Well,
might
mine
just
bubbled
not.
up then.
Or is it because no, not like that. Like it's pushing out ink.
Yeah, she had to put a whole bunch of ink because the second time the ink still like didn't do right. So she had to buy new ink, like yellow,
Yeah.
to redo his yellow.
His body is probably just rejecting it.
Yeah. She says it might be rejecting the yellow.
Yeah.
Just might not like yellow, period. But if that helps the not look so orange, then it'll be fine. Oh, there's a clucker on here too, by the way.
No, some yellow stayed. The one that she faded stayed. So, oh no, what the heck? Anyway.
Where are you at, Ricky?
Or is it because I got
in the
upset?
Water.
And it's like, because of that.
No. Oh. Did we get everything off the island?
I think so.
Oh, I found our boat.
Oh, I'm drowning.
Don't drown.
Well, I needed water. I was dying of that, and then I noticed I was drowning.
Do you need some watermelon or something?
No, I just ate some mangoes.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's another cave over here. Oh, but you can't get into it. Oh, is that the cave we were in? Probably. Yeah. Most likely. Oh, babe, can you bring me a gummy? There's no telling. The crushed ones are usually the kids' waters, and they never finish them. Okay. Birthday!
What?
I don't know.
I'm trying to get stone, but I can't
back here.
freaking find any stone.
I got some stone.
Oh, I found some.
I got like 4 stone. Can you give me a gummy, babe? Are you got something? If you're doing something, I can get it. Okay, let me go in this water. Don't see anything over here where I'm at now. There might be some chests under the water too.
Well, wasn't there one on that cave?
Yeah,
in
there was
that
one in the
cave?
cave, but there might, but because this is a big island, there might be 2 or 3.
Oh,
Yeah. So I just gotta look underneath the water to make sure.
where's our raft?
It's on one of the sides. I saw it. It's still good. And it's kind of like sometimes the chests are like really far down in the water. Well, y'all played. I know y'all
Yeah.
didn't get very far though.
No.
We almost beat the game.
Whoa, I just jumped. That's not what I wanted to do. Alright.
Oh, let me show this. Sorry, Bricky,
You're fine.
with my loud husband.
I mean, he was
Just
very
block
loud.
out his voice.
But I know I'm gonna have
I
to
wish you could
edit.
just block. Edit his voice out. Can you edit his voice out?
I don't know if I can edit his voice out, but I can edit that part out of the video.
Oh, okay. Give me... Oh! God bless it. I just got poisoned
Job.
and I'm dying. I'm about
Whoops,
to
that's
die.
not what I wanted to do. Goodness. Okay.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna drown, I'm gonna drown. Woo, sweet son. Look, just eat this watermelon, okay? I'm force feeding her watermelon as she's screaming to death.
Yep.
Oh.
I need more plastic. Oh no, Angelica, we're moving!
What do you mean? Why is it moving?
Because I think Bruce ate our
Oh gosh. Can you get on it?
I'm on it right now.
Okay. Alright, I'll be there then. I guess I'll just leave the rest of this stuff here. Dang it, Bruce. We have to start getting
know,
metal
right?
on these things.
Oh god, really? You just drop a rock on me while I'm on my own raft, you a-hole?
Where are you at?
It's still kind of... Here, I made another anchor.
Oh, you made
Put it
another
back
one?
down.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're about to drop a rock on me while I'm in the water. What a trucker.
Oh look, dry brick. Dry brick, dry brick. Put the dry bricks in here. I need plastic.
I have one. There's some in there.
I know, I used it to... I was extending our boat a little bit.
Oh, okay. I have one. I'm trying to go back in the water, but this guy keeps throwing rocks at me. I'll go in the water and just wait to heal from drowning. I'm glad you were there to save our bones. It would have sucked. Oh, we should play music. Can we play music? Do we have the music thing in here? Oh, what the heck was that? Oh gosh.
Yeah, but I'm
Of
pretty
course
sure
I
I'll get
poison.
copywritten.
Oh yeah, that's right. Never mind. Don't do that. Don't do that, Brittany. We don't want you to get in trouble. Dang it! Why did I eat those? Another trucker man. Do I have any more food? No. I have no more food in my pocket.
Whoa. Will you stop dropping stuff on my head? Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm harvesting stuff then. You good, Bricky?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay. Was a bird messing with you?
Yes, you won't stop dropping stuff on my head.
It's because he loves you, Bricky.
Oh my gosh, it's so annoying.
It's very annoying. Oh, I found a cave. Means there's a chest down in there somewhere. Possibly. Or just sand. And not a chest. Okay, well, a pufferfish. I don't want that thing to hit me again. These things keep trying to kill me. Don't you come near me. Your big old eyeballs. Go away. Go away. Bricky. Bricky, what are you doing, Bricky?
What? I keep getting rocks dropped on my head. I can't do anything. I'm gonna die. I'm about ready to float
water,
away. Oh, I'm trying
Oh my
to
gosh.
make the boat nicer.
Bricky, I need you to... Oh. Hold on. I'll be right there.
I'm literally like every 5 seconds I get a freaking thing dropped on my head.
Oh my goodness.
There it is again. I'm gonna die if he does it one more time.
Bricky. Okay.
I don't know why he's doing it.
He's doing it either. Dang it. Okay.
I need you to revive me.
I'm coming. Woman. Did you at least get the boat closer?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I gotta get out of this water first. Right, where you at?
On the top.
On top of the island?
No, on top of the boat.
Oh, okay. I'm just running around until I find you.
I'm upstairs.
Maybe you're upstairs. Talk about, bro. I need to take some of this stuff back to the boat. Anyways. Reggae, where the frig are you? Woman. What are you doing, child? What?
I still want to do that.
Why is what?
That
Because the wind.
like getting on and voting up.
Uh-huh.
Watching this call.
Oh, you made a second deck.
Yeah, I'm on the second deck. I was trying to make it look nice and I kept getting rocks strapped on my head.
Where is the anchor?
I don't know if Bruce took it or not. Oh crap, I still
Where's
have
the
I still have the bed in my
bed?
pocket.
Alright.
Hang on.
Ow! God bless it.
I'll just respawn. I still have the bed in my pocket.
Oh no, the anchor's still here. It's right here.
Oh, okay.
That's why we ain't floating away. Get off of the toilet paper, woman. There's toilet paper.
See?
Wom-
Bro!
Come over here and stand underneath this thing so you don't die.
Why the heck does that
Oh my-
stupid bird want to kill me?
'Cause he loves you, Brookie. Hi. What's up?
What are those? Oh, those
Seeds?
are those the watermelon seeds?
Yeah?
Wait.
Oh.
Are you being creative?
No.
Then why that's all these?
Because of stuff we can make.
Yeah, that's what I
Really?
thought.
Well, I'm not all the way underneath the thing either. Got some
I am.
sand. I got some rocks.
I'm making meat.
Okay.
He's gonna
Almost got
break
me
our
that time,
boat.
too.
He's gonna break our boat if
It's
we don't
gonna
start moving.
Break something.
We need to start moving.
You don't want to get any more stuff?
No.
Here we
No.
go. Okay.
Flip this
Okay, let's go
bird.
then. Flip it. Child, what are you doing? You got boar meat?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, she's on the cat tower. She is cute.
See, and see, there's the red thing.
Mm-hmm.
And see, pieces though.
And she pays a cat. Dang it. And some barrels, pretty. Mm-hmm.
I'm still holding meat in my hand. I tried to make it look nicer. I was gonna keep going, and then this stupid bird kept dropping things on my head, and I just got irritated.
Where that bird is horrible.
Did you pick up that meat?
Yes.
Okay, this one's mine then. I want...
How many more pieces do you have?
that one on the grill is the last one.
Okay. Did it only give you 3?
2.
Oh.
I need more plank. Do we have more plank? Oh yeah, we do.
Mm-hmm.
I want to put it right there. Could probably remove some of these, right? I don't know. I'll try. I think. And right here, maybe.
There's an island over that direction.
Okay. Yes.
But-
Yes. Okay. There.
Can't wait
Here's
till
our
we can
little.
get the...
Here's our little second area up there. So whatever you want to do up there. It's not perfect.
You want to put the bed up
but-
there?
Yeah, we can. Or do you want to leave
Can
the
we-
bed down here and move the grill and stuff up
Or
there?
you can... Or, yeah, you could do that. Ow. Whatever you want to do. Ricky, did we go all the way to the top? So,
Yeah.
does there look like there's something up there? Did we get that, whatever that was?
Just looks like a big tree.
Okay.
Or we can leave this empty for when we get the navigation stuff.
Or we can do that too. I mean,
It's
we
up
could
to
make the
you.
boat way bigger, so
Yeah.
we don't have to really. It could just be temporary, whatever is up there for right now. So we get a whole bunch of wood and early.
Okay. Alright, so then I'm gonna grab this. I'll bring
Oh,
this
and
up
I'm gonna have to
there.
make another hook soon.
That way he can't eat our water and stuff. We can leave these down here because they're not in the middle.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Can't wait till we get the nets. He's biting the boat. He's biting the boat. He's biting the boat. He's biting the boat. I need to make another that, and I need a spear. Oh, I need rope. Where's the rope? Ow. Knock my fan over. Oh,
Oh.
I need wood. I don't think I need more wood.
Oh, there's a crate.
Oh yeah, baby.
Alright, I'm swimming for it.
Okay. Swim for it.
Excuse me, sir.
He's like, well, if you're gonna come out here, I'm gonna eat you. We get some good stuff. Yes, we learned our curtains. Alright, I got a spear now. Sweet, sweet.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna get this barrel. I am not going to get this barrel.
Get it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, I just got a bunch of plank in it. Nice.
Nice. Ah! Shoot. I fell in the water again.
Good job.
Gosh darn it. Shush it, woman.
Oh, there's another crate.
Yeah, it's coming towards us. Berkey, why don't you just wait?
Because I want it now. Leave me alone, Bruce.
Nah, you stepped in his territory.
Well, he can screw off. There ain't no his territory.
Mm-hmm.
Can you make 2 more wet bricks?
Wet bricks?
Yeah. Or can we not do that yet? We don't have a
Is it
smelter
clay?
yet. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
But I have 3 dry bricks in one of the things, and I was just going to make the wet bricks, like the dry bricks, just for when we do get it.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's just clay
Oh.
and sand.
I mean, I have sand and stuff in here. I might have enough stuff to make whatever you need. Dang it. Yes, I got it. Sweet. There's a little boat to the right, and then there's an island to the left. So we need to get that boat. What are you looking for?
The clay. I found it.
Okay.
Okay. And then I made another bed if you want to sleep.
Oh, yeah, we could do that.
It's still freaking
Aw.
nighttime. Oh, sunset's coming. Oh, there's a little island over there.
Yeah. I saw it. You gonna go get that boat?
What?
I'll go get it. The boat over there.
There's a
I'll
boat?
go get it. I'll go get it. Oh, so it's a boat. Ow.
Oh, crap. Oh,
So
man.
far away.
Alright, well.
No.
I ruined
you have to
that.
follow me.
Sorry. I'll make more.
Oh my gosh. He's still following me out here. What's up?
Oh. Thinking. No.
Oh, really? We got a recipe, woman. What's that doing?
Watching TV.
Okay. Go. All right, cool. There's 2 barrels in front of you, Bricky.
I know. I'm getting them. I don't know if I can get that other one, but I'll swim for it.
Ow! Did you get it? Oh,
Yes, I got it.
nice.
I accidentally
Really?
broke the top of our.
What did you do, woman?
floor. Ah! Ah!
Ah,
Ah! We're not gonna make it. Oh, we made it. Whew.
oh my gosh.
You know, I don't really know what I did.
Oh my gosh, Ricky. You broke everything.
I did.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to make another grill too.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, they don't come back.
My poor grill.
Doesn't come back.
Oh, okay. Do we have plank anywhere?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
I've been putting plank and everything in these. We got a recipe.